Hello दोस्तों, how are you? So today we are going to learn about what is Podman. So as you can see here, Podman is basically similar a container tool as Docker. Okay, so now let's see how we can install it and how we can use it. Okay, so before that, what I did, like I actually created an EC2 instance and it is Ubuntu 24 version. Okay, and I have already installed the Podman on it. To install the Podman, basically we have to run this command. Like first of all, we will do the apt-get update, updating our Ubuntu version related to some library packages and all kind of and before installing any packages. So here, like you can see, we use this command to apt-get y for yes installing the Podman, and this command actually install these services. If you can see here, it is installing the builder as well and other packages which are dependent for the Podman. Okay, so here Podman has been installed, and after installing it, now you can see I have pulled an image of the Podman pull Ubuntu. So it has pulled the image of Podman Ubuntu image actually. Now let's see if I have any images here. So I can see I have Ubuntu image, and apart from this, if I can show you on this one, like as of now I have installed Pod1 and Ubuntu images, and on this one let me show you the other things. Like now let's run if any command I want to run on this, such as echo. Okay, so I'm running hello Podman, like welcome to Podman. So I do that on this one. Now let's launch this Podman container. Okay, so now I'm running this Ubuntu image container actually. So I am inside this Ubuntu container as of now. If I can show you here, if you can see, this is root inside the Podman container, and these are the files inside the Ubuntu container of which is running on the Podman. Okay, so after getting exit, if I want to run it as a detach or daemon mode, I have to run it with option of -itd. Okay, so that I can do inside this. So let's exit from this one. Now let's find out what are the other options we can get inside the Podman. Okay, so if you have other operating systems with you, okay, like you have Mac or Windows, you can install using like brew command, or you can do like init machine init and install. For Windows you will get the link exe file to set up it. Similar for the Linux, like if you have Arch Linux and all, you can use pacman command to install the Podman. If you have Alpine, you can use apk. Obviously for CentOS and Red Hat we have to use like yum command. Fedora we can use dnf command. Okay, and for Debian obviously we will go with the apt. Now let's go back to like what are the things we can do with the pod. Okay, so the commands, if you can go here, like if you require any help related to Podman, so you can use Podman --help command, and if you need some like command help related to the with any particular like Podman images help, so we can go like Podman images then --help. So it will show us details related to that particular command and subcommand. Now if you need more man pages and all details, so we can go with man Podman. Okay, like this man Podman, you will get all the info related to Podman. If you need a particular section of it, then we will go with images. So it will open like this. Okay, now if you want to search anything like images and all, so using Podman search we can search it like Podman search Ubuntu. Nothing is coming. Let's search for Podman search alpha. So nothing is as of now because we require remote web. If we have any registry with us, then we will get. Okay, now let's pull out any particular image if we want. Let's pull Podman pull engines. Okay, so it's not coming up. Let's pull out. Okay, so it required complete, image part where using that we have to pull like Docker data, because short name it is not taking up. It required to be, it don't have any alias set up here, so that's why we are getting error related to that. Okay, after this let's search for an image. Let's pull out an image, the Podman pull. Let's pull like Podman pull Jenkins. Okay, now let's go for pulling part. Alright, let's pull out another image like docker.io in Unix. We have to actually specify complete path as we don't have alias here in registry, so we can also put out like Jenkins. So it doesn't have anything as of now, like saying Jenkins.ham. It's not able to pull out Jenkins. Then let's go for like HTTPD. So it's able to pull out the HTTPD as well. Okay, let's pull out LPI. Yes, so these are the images it able to pull. So as of now we can able to pull from the docker.io. Okay, now here let's go with the Okay guys, so we will able to pull the like images and all using this one. Now if you guys having any question like how we can run the container and all, you can see how we can run the container. Let's see how we can run it. Okay, so it has run that. So now it has pulled out the images. I am able to run the container as of now. As you can see, now let me show you like how many images we have as of now. If we run Podman images, so these are few images which we have. Now we have run. Now let's see how many containers as of now running. So we can see like HTTPD is running. Alright. Now if I have to run the Ubuntu one, I can run Ubuntu in the daemon mode. So for that I will use this command Podman run -itd Ubuntu, and it is also running in the detail. Now these are the Podmans. You can see command view of the. If I have to stop a container similar to Docker, I will type like Podman stop and then give the container ID. Now we can see that it has been stopped. It is not showing here. So if you want to forcefully stop, so you have to use the kill command. Okay, so that's all for this lecture guys. We will see about the builder in the next lecture. See you till then. Bye. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions or doubt. We will discuss about that.